So the way this video is gonna work is I'm gonna open up TikTok, I'm gonna start scrolling, and the first 3 or 4 recipes that I come across, this is what I'm gonna be eating for 24 hours. So let's get started.
Please don't. Can we just talk about the most scientifically
Ninoshka, you know what I'm doing?
Will you guys please get...
One of my favorite things to eat while living on a college campus was broccoli cheddar soup. Let's make it today.
Okay,
First, start
I'm
with
excited.
melting 4 tablespoons. This soup is so creamy and decadent. I hope you try it. Thanks for watching.
And life gives you lemons. Let's make it into spaghetti. Ingredients. Add garlic to some melted butter. Now the olive oil. Next, add the zest and juice of a lemon. Add some heavy cream, salt it, spaghetti in. A little pasta water mixed with the passion of an Italian. Just gorgeous.
This looks good,
When
okay.
life gives-
You're gonna thank me so hard for this. Take the Starbucks cold brew, fill it up. Take the nitro creamer from Ready Whip, put as much as you like. Take the sweet foam from Ready Whip, fill it up.
the lady up.
Add this secret ingredient to make the best grilled cheese.
Okay guys, so here is my menu for tomorrow. Breakfast, the grilled cheese with brie and fig butter and the coffee. Lunch, broccoli cheddar soup. Snack, Cajun fries. And dinner, lemon pasta. This sounds like an awesome day. I'm excited and I'm going grocery shopping now. Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up and now it's time to make the fancy grilled cheese. Let's go. Okay, so here are our ingredients for the first recipe. I got another sourdough. I got French brie, the fig butter, and some butter for the pan. And now I'm gonna start preparing it. So we're adding fig butter to both sides of the bread. And then we're gonna add brie to 1.5. Okay, now we're gonna actually cook it. Okay guys, I am ready to try the grilled cheese. I'm super excited. It looks beautiful. I mean, it's not bad, but I definitely don't prefer it to a regular simple grilled cheese. I don't think I would make it again. I mean, it's nice, but I don't think it's my cup of tea. I feel like just the brie doesn't have a strong enough flavor to really dominate over the fig butter, so I don't know. No, I probably give it 5 out of 10. Okay, now for the coffee, I couldn't find the nitro cream, so I'm just gonna use a regular half and half. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be the same, but it's something. I mean, I think this looks pretty good. Yeah, tastes pretty good. So I'll leave links to all the TikToks in the description in case you guys want to try them too, but just wanted to tell you quickly what I'm doing for this lunch recipe. I am melting 4 tablespoons of butter and adding a cup of diced onion to it. To that, I added a teaspoon of garlic powder and 4 tablespoons of flour to make a roux. When everything is mixed up well, add slowly 2 cups of veggie stock and a teaspoon of salt plus some black pepper. Then we're adding a cup of carrots and 3 cups of broccoli and we let it simmer for 15 minutes. When the time's up, we add 2 cups of half and half and 2 cups of shredded cheese. And that's the recipe, really quick and easy. The soup is ready and it looks so good. Super creamy, as you guys can see. I can't wait to try it out. Okay, I'm ready to try the soup. I like it a lot, but it's definitely not the best broccoli cheddar soup that I've had. It's definitely not better than Panera. I feel like there's not a ton of flavor in it. I don't know. Maybe I need more salt or pepper. But it's pretty good. Probably like 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. Okay, I have cooked my potatoes and now I'm gonna add some olive oil. This video does not have any measurements, so hopefully I don't mess it up. Here are all the spices, and as I said, she didn't provide any measurements, but it looked like most of them were like 1 teaspoon. I'm also preheating my air fryer to 400. And for the dressing, she said she mixed yogurt and ranch, and I'm using this really cool Bulgarian yogurt. Okay guys, so the fries are done. They look amazing, they smell even better. They're not super crispy because I overcrowded my air fryer a little bit, but still, I'm sure they're gonna be amazing. And this is the little dressing, which is ranch and yogurt and a little bit of paprika. So now let's test them out. I'm so excited to try these. These are so good. If you guys make a recipe from this video, I definitely recommend this one. They're so good. Maybe like 10 out of 10. Super flavorful. They're definitely spicy, but the flavor is really good. And also the dipping sauce really like balances out the flavors and is just really, really good. Okay guys, this is the final result. I think they look amazing and I can't wait to taste them. I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese and parsley and that's it. These are amazing. 10 out of 10. They're so lemony and just very refreshing, like perfect for the summer. It's just the perfect easy dinner and it looks really fancy, but it takes literally 15 minutes. So that's such a great recipe. Definitely recommend it. Which recipe was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you next week with another one. Bye guys!